Hey everyone, it's Blakely with Everyday Gourmet. So the other night I went ahead and roasted up some butternut squash. So I have some leftover and I'm gonna show you an amazing, super easy butternut squash lentil curry. So delicious, healthy, vegetarian, and vegan. It's so good, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So I'm so excited to make this. I love a good curry, and I already have a butternut squash that I went ahead and roasted last night, but you can do it ahead of time, which is another reason why I love it. So you can do it the night before and have it the next day. So what I do is you do a oven at 400 degrees, cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, drizzle olive oil, salt, and pepper, bake it, cut side down for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes, turn it over and let it cook another 45 minutes. So about an hour total, and this is what you get. It's beautiful, delicious. I'm gonna set it aside. So, also in a pan, I'm going to cook some lentils. So because I only have a half of a butternut squash, this is enough for 2 people. So in here, 1.5 cups of water and a half cup of lentils of your choice. I like to use red lentil personally, so I'm gonna let that cook for about 15 minutes. So now, in here, I'm gonna add a little bit, some grapeseed oil. I'm gonna add some shallot in here. And then while that's cooking up, I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of some salt right in here, get that going. All right, so then what I'm gonna do is I have about a cup of Brussels sprouts. There's about 6 in here. Like I said, this is just for 2 people, so double, triple this recipe as you want. I'm going to just thinly slice all these beautiful Brussels sprouts here. All right, our shallots are looking good, so I'm gonna add all of our Brussels sprouts right in here. Just like this, and I also have some ginger, some fresh ginger. I gave it a little peel. I'm going to do about a 1/2 inch, maybe a little bit more, 1/2 inch piece of some fresh ginger. Just going to grate it in here. Ugh, I love the smell of fresh ginger. It smells so good. Beautiful. All right, that looks good. Just a nice little stir. Give it a nice little bit of pepper in here, fresh cut pepper. All right, we're just gonna let this cook for about a minute or 2, and then I'm gonna show you what we do with that butternut squash. All right, so what I wanna do is take this butternut squash and just add it directly into a blender. Another benefit of doing this ahead of time, you can handle it much easier than when it's hot. So we're gonna do all of this beautiful roasted butternut squash, which is one of my favorites this time of year. Gotta take advantage of the season. Add all this in here. Give this a good stir, make sure everything's looking good. I turned it down to like low right now, because I don't want those Brussels sprouts to get burnt. Right. This in there. Perfect. So then I have a variety of spices here I'm going to put in here. I am doing, this is going to be so good. All right, that is done. So then in here I have a 1/2 tablespoon of ground cumin. I have a 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. You can leave out the cayenne if you don't want it spicy, but I always opt for spicy. So then, this right here, I'm gonna do a juice of 1/2 lime. And then I have some full fat coconut milk, 1 can. I'm gonna do a 1/2 can, since I'm doing half a recipe. Let's see, a little bit more. All right. Put this on. We'll get this thing on. There we go. Put this on and start it up and blend completely until smooth. All right, so this is done. these lentils. Make sure you stir your lentils while you cook. They like to stick. These look almost done as well. Go ahead and turn those off. All right, everything's looking good. Look at beautiful, and thick, and rich, and healthy. Even though it doesn't feel like it's healthy, it is. Just gonna get all of this out. Right in here. And also, ooh, it smells so good. I'm also going to cook up some rice to serve this over, or you totally don't have to do it with rice, but you can. I always love curry with rice. Make sure you get all that goodness out. Don't want to leave a drop. Give it a stir. This is like a fun, fall, festive, delicious, hearty curry. All right, I'm gonna add these right in here. Our lentils are done. Beautiful. That's it. I'm just gonna season with salt and pepper if I need to. And then I'm gonna serve it over some rice, put some cilantro, another squeeze of lime, and you have a delicious vegetarian curry. Cannot wait to eat it. So how easy was that? It's delicious, it's healthy, perfect for leftovers too. So there you have my butternut squash and lentil curry. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Gourmet with Blakely for more delicious recipes and videos.